Okay, over here we have the graph in red of the polynomial function f of x equals 4x cubed plus 8x plus 1. We're asked to use Newton's method to find or approximate the root. Looks like there's only one real root. Here's the original function. Here's f prime of x. And here's Newton's method. Take your initial approximation minus f of x over f prime of x. So if our initial approximation is at -1, then a closer approximation will be x sub 2 equals x sub 1, which is -1, minus f of -1 over f prime of -1. So -1 minus -11 is f of -1, -1 in here for x, over f prime of -1, which is 20. Okay, and if you simplify that, you get -9/20, or -0.45. Now to get x sub 3, we're going to take this number and plug it into Newton's method. There's -9/20 minus f of -9/20 over f prime of -9/20. That's this number right here, which if you get a decimal approximation, it's getting close to this -0.124. But if you go another approximation, taking this number and plugging it into Newton's function, you get much closer. Okay, and if I'll also make the observation on board 2 that if you start with an initial approximation of -1, it takes a while to get close to the -0.124. But if you start with an initial approximation of 0, you get there much more quickly. Okay, but there is a good approximation for the root of that polynomial function. Okay. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.